Hey guys, alright, so I'm going through this wiring harness that I picked up from CJ Pony Parts for $590. Would have been cheaper had I used a military discount though. It comes with these detailed instructions. Here's everything that's in the kit. Like a headlight switch and a new set of keys. Not sure what this one's for yet. I would like to wire in a kill switch at some point. You know, like maybe for security purposes. But the wires are heavy gauge and labeled on the sides. A dimmer switch. I already opened this packet for the rear. Not sure why this loom is included. I was thinking maybe it's for the license plate light that's exposed to weather. But it comes with two sets of instructions, one for fleet side and one for step side. And each little separately labeled componentry bag has its own set of instructions. I wish they were ziplocked and I wish that it had a pamphlet booklet, but other than that, it's a pretty cool kit.